Alright, so tomorrow's the big day. You know, finally Anthony's taking his car to get it dynoed. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so today's the day. On my way right now to go ahead and pick up the truck. And then once I pick up the truck, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, head out to Anthony's, where we'll go ahead and pick up his car, head to the tuner. Yeah. Alright, so just to give everyone an update on what's going on right now with the Infinity. So had to put machine work on hold. You know, cost a little bit more than I was expecting at the moment. About $1,000 actually, but yeah. So right now, you know, I got eagle rods for it. I got CP pistons, Brian Crowder head, complete head rebuilt kit. So I got valves, springs, retainer caps, everything for the head. ACL, bearings, ARP, main and head studs, you know, and then of course I'm going twin on it. Still undecided of what twin turbo setup I want to do. Kind of want to do a custom thing myself, but never know. All right, so just picked up the truck from my pops. Shout out to pops. About to head out now to pick up Mike, and then after that we're going straight to Ants. Gotta stop and get the trailer, and then off to tune. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, so watch. Cartier, look, Cartier, the that. Cartier, spec for below on the side. Pussy got diamonds, they Cartier, yeah. Cartier, back with a Cartier, that. Sky ring the coupe with 200 the dash. Cartier jeans, ain't no way I can say. Ain't no way I'm ever gon' go out of bed. I can't go out, no way I'm gon' go out. I just grip on her ass and I show out. I sit like a chip and I wait on her whole lot. I can whip up a new Chanel paddock. I whip it the wrist and I don't break the door out. Turn the whole top floor to a whole house. 100 racks and one, two about to flood out. Money.
To the truck in my driveway. I'm in that photo by myself. Know it's hard, ain't no niggas outside. Know they gon' ride to the death. Had some beats, ain't no way I get tired. I gotta do what I feel. Every day Super Bowl, fuck it oh well. I put a lot on myself. In the field with Jamil, I'm like Odell. She's mad that I visit the got a torpedo. I think I'm
205. 205.
Got the remix, this a part of the sequel. No, we not living this, say we not making this, say we not equal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your mama can fly, had some troubles, put that shit in the sky. Not the angels, know the devil will try. So how you bumpin' something we said it? When we come out, we can't help but be damaged. After party, astro roll at the planet. Let the rap out, but they didn't understand it. When I'm home, know that I fuck on a Grammy. Yeah.
So heading back now to drop off the truck. You know, today was an eventful day, as you guys could see. You know, ended at 235 conservatively. Anthony's request wanted to be, you know, conservative, especially it being his first build, which was actually pretty impressive, if I could say. You know, weren't really, well, I really expected it, you know, and just like the guy that actually tuned the car, which shout out to Monster Tuners. You know, he even said it, you know, the easily 300, which was what we predicted. So good build, strong build.